We got a fun exercise today. It's gonna burn those legs. It's called power squat side steps. We're gonna start with progression 1 in the center of the line. Come up into exposure. You're gonna get a nice stance here. Hip distance are just a little wider. Foot placement as usual, top of the arch, bottom of the ball mount. You're gonna take hands, place them behind your head. From there, we're gonna squat down until the knees make a nice 90-degree and come back up. That's 1. Going back down, trying to get close to the 90-degree, not dropping the butt all the way down. This is Malasana, we're not going that low. We're gonna hold it at the 90-degree. If I can bring it back, here we go. And then back up. That's 2. Doing that 10 times for progression 1. Squat, back up, 3. Squat, back up, 4. Get the idea, 10 times, okay? Moving on. Progression 2. Coming up, starting close to an anchor point, in exposure. Gonna have the hands in front, nice and free this time. Coming down into our squatting position, close to a 90-degree. It's gonna fluctuate as we move, it's okay. We're just trying to keep it in that vicinity or close to it. Keeping low, you're gonna slide, 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 slide. I'm not trying to lift the foot, I'm trying to slide the foot. Keeping engaged in the legs the whole time, hands out in front. This is a nice leg burner. Progression 2 is going all the way across the line until you reach the anchor point, and then going back the opposite direction, staying nice and low. If you need a break in between, take one. If not, challenge yourself and go back. Again, try not to lift the foot like I did just there, trying to slide it. After you make it there, you're gonna wanna come down, let the legs rest for a second, shake them out. Moving on to progression 3. This one's a bit more challenging. Coming up, starting close to the anchor point, coming into exposure. Nice distance between the legs, a little more than hip distance. Hands behind the head, squatted position, making your way across the line. All the way across, trying to slide the feet. Trying to stay somewhat of that squatted position all the way across. Once you get to the far anchor point, you're gonna make your way back across if you don't fall. That's why it's level 3, baby. All right, we're back at it. In case you're afraid of falling like that, I suggest getting a pad behind you. Keep yourself safe. Now, to finish progression 3, we're gonna start here where we fell off. Come back into our squatted position, hands behind the head, keep it even and do the other side. Slide, 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 slide. Keeping that nice power squat stance the whole way. Power squat, side steps.